Man, I can't believe it. I did it again. Most of this video does not have audio. Right here, I'm just showing y'all I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which you can't even get in the States. So pretty good accomplishment. And the clips that I did shoot with that camera does have audio. But since this does not have any audio, I'm going to basically just play some music and let y'all take a peek at the cars that were there. Keep it nice, short, and brief. And the times that did have audio, I'll of course cut back to that. If y'all don't know, here's a fair warning. If you own the Sony ZV-1 or Sony ZV-1 Mark II, on the camera, there is a button that will change your modes. The modes has video capture without audio, and then photo. And it's right next to the power button. So whenever you miss the power button, if you click that little button, it will change the mode. And the mic, it reads that you're getting audio. It reads that the mic is connected. The only way to ensure that you're getting audio is to record something, stop, then play the audio, make sure that you got it. Clearly, I did not do that. In the next video, I fixed that problem. Like I said, instead of just talking through this whole thing, I'm gonna play some music, cut through some cars that were here, good looking cars, some dope stuff. This was an insane car meet, and they even had at one point somebody like revving a GT3 on the dyno, and I hate that I missed that, but I'll insert a clip of that as well from my phone and make the most of it. I switch y'all over to the DJI Osmo Pocket. We're gonna see how this rocking. I don't have any ND filters yet. Swipe to the right to adjust exposure. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to do that. So let's bring this down. It's a little bit better for y'all. It's a real nice, bright, sunny day. I got a white tee on, so it's overly. But we're gonna get in here. I'm gonna try this camera out on and off today. See how y'all locking, how y'all liking it, how y'all rocking with it. You know what I'm saying? Indeed. Still got the other cam on site, but this cam definitely we gonna be able to get y'all some nice little clips, some video. So if not today, in the future, no doubt. I'm excited, man. Walking up on some stuff. M4 CSL on them. Sheesh. Actually, that John over there, but it's not overly clean. Turbo S Porsche on them. Got a lot of whips, so let's see what this out. Now the mic is connected. I didn't have the mic connected, but I caught it early. See, I'm getting better for y'all. I'm getting better. Pretty ironic considering half the video doesn't have any audio and all tie. So it's nice, you know, a little gimbal tracking. I'm gonna flip this around. Hit me. There you go. So Volkswagen on them. I don't know how this, whatever. So GT3, or GT4 actually. Sorry, GT4 right here. I honestly love these more than the 3, but the 2 is the best. I think the GT2 is my favorite. Super Mark 5. This is just so light. I love this. We got some bikes rolling in. keys on them. This is, fun fact, one of my favorite Mercedes. I know I don't know them well, but this right here, this body style, man, I'm low-key cooking out here. Holy. E46 next to it with a Whomper in there. Nice brown interior. BBS is on the Benz. Easy on a older M5. It's actually sick. I don't know what this is. Another C. Okay, my days. Brown wide body Audi on them. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I've ever seen a wide body A5, man. This is crispy. Overly. I've never seen a wide body A5 in my life, and that is clean. That is super clean. Nice little Porsche chilling behind us. M5 CS next to the newer Rari. This stuff hot. I like the black carbon badge on these. So that's overly crispy on them. Next to another Vet. There's that Maybach from earlier. Huracan STO. Roof air intake on there. Ooh wee, boy. See that? Goodness. Overly clean. I love white supercars. RS6 next to it. M4 back here. Next to another one. Big Benzo next to it. Cayman. M5 comp. I love the Caymans. This is my favorite body style Cayman. This stuff is so clean. This just might be the next whip. I won't lie to y'all. Newer M5. The G90. This thing is just massive. F80 M3. Purple on a Porsche. Mero next to it. BRZ. We're gonna have to get through this. And so, another Huracan. I'm gonna switch to the other cam.
And we're back to no audio. Enjoy the music. This was pretty funny because I'm looking at this C8 and the M8. I'm like, matte black? I know people who got these. And sure enough, your boy Kyle in the cut, man. Him and his mod dudes, you know, they pulled up matte black on him. Kyle, the Z06 is almost unmistakable when you see it. You know whose it is. How this all happened. You know, I was chopping it up with them, of course. Had to go around, say what up to the mod dudes. Big shouts out to them. They were the whole reason I was able to get my exhaust done on my M240i. So big thank you to them. Good peoples. Much love. Hate that I lost the audio here. Right here, I was actually slowing down to give some attention to this old Supra. It's the same body style my pops used to own. He had it black on black. Here I'm calling Lance over. I'm like, bro, this the same one my pops had. I8, man, I don't care what anybody says. This car is beautifully timeless. I love this car. I almost bought it instead of my M240i. I'm glad I didn't though. The engine is trash, but this is the exact colorway I would want. That same setup, so clean. Here's a pic of me in one when I was a JIT. Still a car I want to get. These gas prices are insane. To get like 86 miles per gallon. Amazing. as I've been walking around, that GT3R has just been running on the dyno and my ears are like throbbing. I hate that I didn't get the audio for the video because it would have sounded fire for y'all, but at the same time that stuff was mad annoying because it's just a massive warehouse where you have GT3RS engine noises just cracking and echoing like crazy. So I was supposed to get a video of that clip on his phone to show y'all as far as it goes for like the dyno run, but I wasn't able to get it uploaded properly, something with sending it from an Android, but it'll post separate. Stay tuned. just wrapped up, of course, looking at pretty much everything. I had spoke to the R8 dudes, the owner of the R8, and then his buddy that was with them. Super cool people. Got each other's contact info, and hopefully in the near future we'll get a video with them in the R8. Can't wait. Then a lady came up to me and Lance, who I don't know if she was intoxicated or what was going on, but she was super talkative and I had to speed this up. Yeah, I could have cut it out, but y'all need to understand that we were staying here for like 15 minutes talking about straight up nothing. But this M2, basic white M2, it was clean. Y'all know how I'm rocking F87. Yeah.
Man, we on the road, them, yeah.
Yeah, man.
A Ventador on them, man. This stuff is overly Peter, overly fired. I'm trying to lock in on a target acquired. Oh, I lost subject. We lost subject, dang. It's okay. Now that Ventador is super clean. Some dude was like road raging at me, literally for no reason. Flipped me off, called me the N-word. I said, you know what? We're gonna keep it pushing, right, Lance? And then, boom, a white drop top Spider Aventador pulls up, makes it all better. And then we zoom past that loser, and now he's behind us again. Yo, bro, stop hating. There's no benefit to it. Just go home.
Don't be racist, man. You're gonna hate, do it right.
Yeah, bro, at least have a reason. Flip me off for what? Literally nothing. He just zoomed past me, gives me the finger. I was like, what? And then he slows down, passes N-word. Come on, dog.